In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a long and short position on BingX. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to check and close your trades with confidence. Start by opening the BingX website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Derivatives section in the top navigation. Click that, and from the list of options, choose USD's M-Perp Futures. This area is where you trade perpetual futures contracts that are margined and settled in a stablecoin, so your profit and loss will be tracked in a stable value rather than the underlying crypto. Perpetuals don't have an expiry date, which makes them popular for short-term and swing trading. Now let's open a position. On the trading page, you'll see the order panel. Enter your order price and the amount you want to trade. The price field is for the level where you want your order to execute, and the amount is the size of your position. If you believe the market will rise, choose open long. And that means you're taking a bullish position, aiming to profit if the price moves up. If you think the market will fall, choose open short to take a bearish position, aiming to profit if the price moves down. Before you confirm, double check your inputs and make sure they match your plan, as this helps avoid mistakes. After your order fills, head to the position section to monitor it. Here you'll see key details like your average open price, your position size, and your unrealized P&L, which shows how much you're currently up or down before closing the trade. If your order hasn't filled yet, look in open orders to review or manage any pending entries you've placed. When it's time to exit, switch the order panel to close. If you're holding a long position, choose close long to settle it. If you're holding a short position, choose close short to exit. You can also close directly from the position tab, which is handy when you want to act quickly. Closing locks in your realized profit or loss and removes your exposure to further price movements. That's the full flow. Go to BingX, open derivatives, select USD's M-Perp. Futures, enter your order price and amount. Choose open long or open short based on your market view. Track your trade in position or open orders, and close it using the close panel or directly from the position tab. Trade carefully, review your inputs, and manage risk according to your plan.